One of my favorite skincare things is a retinol. For me, it is an absolute must in my skincare. The brand did send this to me, but as always, I will give my ass review. So just to give you some base reference, I am 35, and a retinol, I've been using a retinol for probably 10 years, and for different reasons than anti-aging, but definitely acne. As you can see, I do have some breakouts here that hopefully they will clear up soon, but what I love most about this retinol, it is beginner friendly, so I do like to use this on areas like my décolletage that I find can be more sensitive to things. What a retinol really wants to do is you're going to look to at the percentage, and if it gets more sensitive, you want to go maybe once a week, then twice a week, 3 times a week, and kind of build up to that every day. And then you'll see honestly true results too when you're using it every day. The things you're going to do is you're going to find a reduction in acne. It's going to really help reduce the appearance of any fine lines, reduce pigment, blemishes, hyperpigmentation. And how that happens is the retinol itself promotes skin regeneration. So it's really helping to encourage the skin to turn over. So that's really why you want to try retinol. So I'm going to show you too on the back of my hand what this looks like and the texture. You really only want to start too with a pea size amount, and this is really enough to get your full face. You don't really want to go overboard with this because a retinol can be a strong ingredient, but this is super nice that it does kind of let you dip your feet into the retinol world. And two, if you ever have any issues with it, you find too much dry skin, you find too much skin peeling, that layer this with a moisturizer and then kind of give yourself even more time to build up to that, and you'll really find that it's working out. It'll really work out well for you that way. So that's why I truly love this Frankly Retinol 1% or 0.1%. Help if I put it right side. So that's why this is one of my favorites.